Codeine Phosphate Cocillana Squill Senega Euphorbia Codelana syrup. Codelana syrup 120 ml. Each 5 ml contains liquid extract of Cocillana 67 mcl, liquid extract of Squill 21 mcl, liquid extract of Senega 21 mcl, liquid extract of Euphorbia 100 mcl, codeine phosphate 4 mg. Codeine syrup is especially safe and effective for irritating cough. It is widely used by doctors as a cough remedies. Indication: symptomatic relief of unproductive cough and promotion of expectoration in common cold, influenza and similar upper respiratory tract infection. Dosage: oral, 3-4 times daily 7-12 years, 1 TSP 5 ml, adults and over 12 years, 2 TSPS, 10 ml. Caution: it is dangerous to exceed the stated dosage. Keep out of reach of children. Store temperature below 30. Drug under supervised sales. Click subscribe to Users Productions YouTube channel.